Yesterday, I learned something really interesting about init.py. So if you've been working with Python, you've probably seen these files. This is how you tell Python that this module is a package. It's typically double underscore init double underscore .py, and they're usually blank. And at Continual, we're focused on bringing software engineering practices to ML, or good ones, hopefully. And I saw some code that, or a demo example that one of our engineers built that had code in the init.py file. I was like, what is this? I've never seen this before. So I learned something interesting and I want to share it. So on the left here, as it turns out, this is actually quite common to include code that you want Python to initialize when you load this package. So on the left, this is actually ML flow. So I'm inside of my local site packages installation. I've got ML flow. We can look at the source code because this is Python. How wonderful. And I opened up the init.py file for ML flow, and there's a lot of stuff in here. So if you've used ML flow, one of the basic things you might do, and this is in the hello world example, is you'd load something like log metric. There are a few other basic log statements log artifacts you're going to grab. And I'm just going to execute this one over here on the right from the command line. So it's telling Python, hey, import log metric from ML flow. But the reason this works is really interesting. Let's come over here and I'm gonna jump into this file. Let's find that log metric and comment it out. So I need to do a little search. Where is log metric? There it is. So let's comment this out. I'm going to save the file. Now I'm going to run that exact same import again. From MLflow, import log metric, just like every MLflow user would do every time. And it blows up. And it says, hey, it can't import log metric from MLflow because log metric is not, it's within a directory structure. This is the statement that would actually work. From mlflow.tracking.fluid, import log metric. But because the good people at ML, the contributors, have added this code to the init.py, to the init file, I can automatically go ahead and import log metric directly from MLflow. So just to show you so we can see the example, let's do the import. So from MLflow tracking.fluid with this still commented out, this will execute correctly. Wonderful. And we can see now, or at least I can see some of the value of these init statements. We'll go ahead and save this, and our original import works. So fun thing here, your init.py doesn't have to be blank. You can put initialization code in there. Why might you do that? Well, one reason I found is it makes it easier on end users, so they don't have to dive deep within the recesses of a directory to find packages. You can just give them top-level imports.